How to access TikTok Shop. So if you want to access TikTok Shop, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok. Once you open up your TikTok, now go with the profile which is on the bottom right and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, tap on your profile, go with the upper right which has that 3-bar icon, go with settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and then tap on report a problem. And here go all the way to the bottom and you will have submit a report option. You can simply go with submit a report, or if you have chat with us, then you can simply tap on chat with us. Now here you need to enter, I'm currently missing the TikTok shop option on my account. I need this to be fixed. Please get back to me as fast as possible. Once you enter that, you just need to simply go with send, and once you've sent, you'll be able to chat with TikTok help desk, or if you've reported, then you will receive some help through your email. So that's how you can access your TikTok shop, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.